other accused in the Thabo Bester prison escape case have been granted bail. Senohe Matsoara, Tieho, Makhotsa and Teboho Dipholo have each been granted 10,000 rand bail. They were previously denied bail. The three are part of a growing number of suspects arrested for aiding convicted rapist and murderer from escaping from prison. We speak now to another lawyer representing one of the accused, Teboho Dipholo. Tieho joins us now on the line. So thank you so much for your time. So you're representing Teboho Dipholo, and of course he's been granted bail. Have you had an opportunity to speak to him? How is he feeling?
It's very unfortunate that I haven't had yet an opportunity to speak to him. You'd recall that it's been held in Sasolburg. Waiting for the order to be sent to Sasolburg. Hopefully, I will get in touch with the family to share the good news with them.
So we obviously know that your client, Teboho Dipholo, in this particular case and his role in an affidavit, it was revealed that he allegedly deliberately switched off records that could have captured Bester's escape. It is, of course, a serious offense that he has committed. Talk to us about just some of the conditions that have been given to him now that he is free on bail.
Look, the conditions are simple, but you'll have to report to the local police station. It's not to leave the district of Bloemfontein without contacting the investigating officer. He must not get into contact with any of the witnesses.
And in terms of just your strategy and your case, in as far as your client is concerned, what are your next steps?
Well, the next step is to wait for the trial to begin. And we'll take it from there. We cannot reveal at this stage what will be our strategy, but all that we say is that we are excited to have been admitted on day. We wait for the date on which we'll go for trial, and we'll take it from there.
Of course, he was previously denied bail. Just talk to us about the circumstances around the state insisting that they should not be granted bail.
Well, the state said that there would be a flight risk. They are unlikely to stand trial, and they are likely to interfere with the witnesses, which is something that right at the beginning we felt that it's not grounded, and hence we decided to take this matter to the High Court, wherein luckily the judge found in our favor, because we said it over and over again that cannot just be the ground for refusal of bail.
In your engagements with your client, and I know, of course, you've got client privilege and so on, just one of the things that he has told you is what exactly in terms of how you should be proceeding to defend him, because we do know, of course, that he has been associated with the accused in some of the cases, according to some of the affidavits that have been circulated.
Yeah, look, the instructions that we took from the client are for bail purposes. I would still consult the client to get clarity on some of the issues. And once we get to the contents of the docket, we'll then be at liberty to tell exactly what was his role, and if any, then we'll take it from there.
Do you have any engagement with his employer, Integron Integrated Solutions, which of course subsequently has made some damning, startling revelations against your client, which ended up in him being dismissed?
Not at all. Not at all.